Hello everyone, my name is Laurent Chenet. I'm the testing director at UTAC for the site of Linas Montlhéry. We have dual shock and then combined with a high speed because we are at 60 km/h for the speed that is really not conventional. Then if we look to the global overall results, all the items we have checked just after the test are positive. Then we can say that overall this test is really positive. The feeling of myself and globally all the staff for the crash testing here is really impressive. The results in the dummies are really good. Everything is green everywhere at any channel we measured. So we can say that this test is successful. Everything is okay, congratulations.